Good morning mga palangga, welcome back to my channel, DK Hamero. So good ng registration mga palangga. This is free ra day ni mga palangga, wala ni siya payment, courtesy of SM and Anytime Fitness. Ayan, so thank you sa ilaha ka na ay libreng padagan. Ayan, so kanang gipilit sa kuang kamot mga palangga for raffle na siya.
Ay, singit, awayin ka diya.
Anong ID ba?
Wala lang, naginanglan.
Inang, pwede na lang scan. Kita search mo?
Ha?
Kita search mo o kita mag-RD? Kita search mo.
Mo na yung nagchika na mi hardly.
Chika naman.
Good morning. Just relax, sit back, and have a great day as we get things rolling for you here with the 82 Rising team in collaboration with the SMT.
Ano si ID karon?
Nasa Jensen.
Here and there, but be prepared. It's going to be a warm-up that will warm you up. Surprise!
Yan eh, pangarang
And so you're going to be ready and not have injuries for the race. Is everyone with me? Is everyone ready? Okay, he told me. Okay. When I say Davao, you say rise and run. Davao!
Sa Davao, you say City. Davao City.
Habang rise and run. Okay. Okay, so now.
Saan na siya na-card?
Ha? Oh, sige, sige, sige. Daghan po mi nag-join ani mga palangga, mga abtan og mga 1,000. Yan. Ang atong rota day ani sa Coastal Road. Safe kaayo. Sarap ng weather din, hindi pa mainit. So, ayan. Kuan pod. Dragon boat.
Paddling naman karon nga na.
Hmm.
Dugay na ila sa una. Mo tay nakaw na nako grupo pod sa bike pod.
Eh.
Na sa
Ay. Ay. Ah!
Uy! Who's first? Who's first?
ada sa.
Goodbye. Remember guys, don't forget to play goal!
Ora galing niya.
Mau niyo? Ay, sorry ma'am.
Remember guys, you can claim your food and your drink. Go runners!
Ayan, with my ka-team and buddy, si Hardy, mga palangga. Muy ka-buddy na ako sa pag-run. Mauna linya padulong og Pocari. Ayan, sponsored by Pocari ang drinks.
Okay, first raffle item, one AirPod right here.
Gatolina.
If you suddenly can't listen to music in the right ear, I have to tell you. Rapid fire, 0092.
Yes!
0092. 0403. 0403. So bring it in, bring it in. Wow, that's a lot of people. Okay, let's get everyone in the photo.
Actually, mas lami siya.
Hindi lang naka kundi
We're done, mga palangga. So, thank you for watching. Till our next video.